The old path to Meadowville was bumpy and slow, a challenge for even the smallest.
Here they come. The mighty team is rolling in. Giant bulldozers, powerful excavators, and speedy RC dude. First up, the mighty bulldozers. With their powerful blades, they're clearing away all the old.
Now the excavators spring into action. Their precise arms dig deep, scooping up all the old wool.
Time for the first layer. Fresh, strong base material is carefully...
And now, the magic happens. The asphalt paver glides along, laying down the perfect, almost done. Our dedicated crew is adding the finishing touches, painting crisp lines for safety and clarity. And
Success!
As the day ends, the road continues its journey, ready to carry countless stories ahead.
The new road breathes life into Meadowville. Faster travel, safer journeys, and every detail matters. Smooth surfaces, clean lines, perfect balance.
Behind every great road is a team that cared. Planning, patience, and teamwork made it possible. As the day ends, the road continues its journey, ready to carry countless stories ahead. From bare ground to a path of progress, this is what dedication builds.